So speaking of revisions and whatnot, I'm going to come to my second floor. And let's say somebody tells you, hey, you guys pushed a new floor plan, but like all of the seats are gone. And if you want to see what actually happened, let's come into our little admin tools for our drawing. And what I can do is I can come down to history. Here are all the revisions for this floor plan, and I can hit compare. And this allows me to actually see the before and after here of this floor plan. So, oh yeah, yep, look, all the stuff has changed. I can zoom in on a particular area, and this just lets me see everything that has happened here. So this is kind of a little bit silly in the case that we've just got a whole layer turned off. But if some of these workstations got shifted or something like that, it can be hard to tell what changed. And so with this little slider here, it's really easy to see what has actually changed for a drawing.
I just want to say that is a very cool tool. I don't know that I've ever seen that. So I just wanted to give credit where credit's due. A very, very cool tool.
Well, thank you. Let me actually show you a variation of this because there's another cool thing, which I had planned to show a little bit later. We might as well just kind of meander around though. So if I come into show details, I can come into reporting, and I can look at an ownership timeline for our building. And what this allows us to do, again, because we're tracking all the seating changes, like I can go backwards in time here and highlight based on what did it look like last month? Okay, great. I know what it looks like right now, but what did it look like last month? And then here's that same tool where I can drag this back and forth, and you can see the colors change a little bit. So
Also,
for example,
amazing.
this pink area.
Yeah, this will help if we're trying to find somebody that sat there last April or something like that, right? And I'm like, I have to do
really
double
helpful.
duty to find that today.
I mean, our planners have definitely said that. Yeah, like, is there a way to have historical record? So this is really cool.
Right.
Yeah, so again, you can click on a space, you can ask it who used to sit there. You can click on a person, you can say what was their complete, history. So coming from, 3 different directions, we can look at the floor plan as a whole and see how it's changed over time, or we can dive in and see, individual changes to spaces and things like that. So I don't know how much history you currently have that we would be able to pull in, but certainly over time, this would be, built, and you could see what's happening. So the other thing that I don't think we really are going to have time to spend too much time talking about, though I know we spent a little bit of time talking about scenario planning in the past. This is a tool that's also used for the scenario planning, where